Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and here in this video we are going to start a new series which is CBSE 2023 accounts, the series 2 set 1 paper. We are going to solve this. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, then you are missing out on all the important stuffs for your preparation. If you subscribe, you have to hit this button here and this page is available for you. You can easily access this page whenever you want because you get a bookmark and this is there on the list. So you don't have to look or hunt for videos and look for or search for it every time. This will be readily available. There are a lot of stuffs, different playlists are there for your preparation. Just you have to click through them and understand. Okay, without further ado, let's get back to the video. Question 17 we'll be covering in this video. Question 17, this is a sum on issue of debentures. So let's have a look. Sinco Limited purchased assets of the book value of 1,98,000 from Dixon Limited. It was agreed that the purchase consideration be paid by issuing 10% debentures of rupees 100 each. Record the necessary journal entries in the books of Sinco Limited, assuming that the debentures have been issued at 10% discount and at 10% premium. Okay, let's have a look how things would look like. So the first thing that we have that Sinco Limited purchased assets of the book value of 1,98,000 from Dixon Limited. For that, there will be a straightforward journal. As you can see, assets account debit to Dixon's Limited account 1,98,000. This is the purchase consideration. And then it was agreed to pay the purchase consideration by issuing 10% debentures of rupees 100 each. Now here there are two scenarios. Let's have a look at the first one at a discount of 10%. Now always remember you have to calculate or divide the purchase consideration by the issue price of each debenture. So in this case, the issue price of each debenture is coming to how much? Let's have a look. In the first case, the issue price is 10% discount. That means rupees 10 as the discount. So 90 is the issue price per debenture. And in the second case, the issue price will be 110 because there is a premium of 10%. Okay, so 1,98,000 divided by 90. How much do you get? You get 2,200 number of debentures. Okay, and that is where your journal comes into picture because you're issuing them at a discount. So Dixon Limited account debit, the purchase consideration 1,98,000, discount on issue of debentures account debit 22,000, to 10% debentures account 2,20,000. Okay, always remember when you are doing these kind of journals, I've seen students being confused and say they sometimes jumble up which number will go where. The purchase consideration for Dixon Limited will remain constant. So even if you're coming to the second journal, Dixon Limited account will be debited by the purchase consideration amount only. Okay, the things that will change will depend on the discount and the premium, and the discount and the number of debentures would change. So in this case, first important thing is calculate the number of debentures which are being issued, and then you will get to know the face value of those debentures. So 2,200 debentures are being issued, face value is 2,20,000. 10% of this is 22,000, that becomes your discount. Okay, let's see the second one. Premium again, 1,98,000 remains the same, divided by 110, you get 1,800 as the number of debentures. So same logic we'll use here. Journal entry is Dixon Limited account debit to 10% debentures account to securities premium reserve account or securities premium account, both are correct. And here 1,80,000 is the face value of debentures and 10% of that is your premium. So that also adds up to 1,98,000. Straightforward journal. There are three journals here. So for each journal there is 1 mark allotted, total 3 marks. All right, let's move on to number B. This is on issue of debentures. So let's pick up one by one. Y Limited on 1st April 21 invited applications for issuing 10,000 9% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 6%. So for this straightforward, there will be a journal bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account, and the entire application money. If you see, applications were received for 12,000 debentures. Okay, So 12,000 into the issue price. Issue price is at a discount of 6%. That means 94 rupees is the issue price. So 94 into 12,000, that gives us 11,28,000. That is my application money received. Okay, let's move on to the second journal. Now here we are allotting the debentures, and any excess application money will be refunded. So the company is issuing 10,000 debentures only. 2,000 debentures are in excess, which will be refunded. So 2,000 into 94, that is 1,88,000, which is being refunded here. 10,000 debentures, the face value is 10 lakhs at the rate 9%. So 10 lakhs is created here. Debenture application allotment account will be debited by the same amount with which we have created it here. And discount on issue of debenture, which is 6%. So 6% of 10 lakh 60,000 is the discount. Always remember, discount or premium is calculated only on the face value of the debentures. Don't be confused. So second journal is also done, and as you can see here, 9% debentures were received, the applications, and these were allotted on pro rata basis to all the applicants. Excess money received with the applications was refunded, because now here don't be confused, because all the money was received along with application itself, so there is nothing to be adjusted with allotment. Okay, so this becomes straightforward. Don't be confused and by looking at the word pro rata, and you have to do a lot of adjustments, but there is nothing to be done here. On 31st March 2022, the company decided to write off the discount on issue of debentures according to the provisions of the Companies Act 2013, and on that date company had 10,000 in its securities premium reserve account. This is an important information which is given, because we will need this in the third journal. So let's write off the discount on issue of debentures. We have 60,000 as the discount on issue of debentures that needs to be written off, and as per the rules, the first preference or the first fund that is used to write off the discount is securities premium reserve. So question clearly says there is 10,000 in that reserve. So that will be used first. We don't have any other reserve mentioned here. So the remaining 50,000 will be written off against statement of profit and loss account. Okay. So this is the journal here. Securities premium reserve account debit, statement of profit and loss account debit 50,000 to discount on issue of debentures account 60,000. At the end of the year, give the date as March 31, 2022. Okay. Here also there are three journals and 1 mark each. That is to cover 3 marks for this question as well. Straightforward questions. If you know the concepts, if you have practiced well, these are easy scoring questions for you. However, I've seen students doing mistakes in these kind of questions as well. For that, you need to be practicing well thoroughly and refresh these kind of questions in your brain so that you can do them flawlessly and in less time during the exam. If this really helped you and you learned something new out of it, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone can get benefited. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments box below. I'll help you out. Stay tuned to this channel. More such videos will be coming in. And if you have any specific video that you want me to make, do let me know. Thanks for watching.